What is going on, everybody? Got another video here for you. Here we are going to use Google Sheets and we're going to learn how to find the inverse of a matrix. Alright, so I've got three matrices here, but first what we want to do is look at the syntax. So I didn't put equals there, but you've got to hit the equal sign first and then M inverse and then select the array. The array is the range containing a square matrix. Now, keep in mind, in order for a matrix to have an inverse, its determinant cannot be 0. If its determinant is equal to 0, then it doesn't have an inverse. So a matrix that has an inverse we refer to as a non-singular matrix or an invertible matrix. If it's a singular matrix, then it's not going to have an inverse. Alright, so let's look at this first problem here. We'll come right here, this matrix A here. So we're going to hit equals M inverse parenthesis, and then we're going to select the matrix, close the parenthesis, and hit equals. And there you have it. And if you want to, you can select this and you can format, number, and well, you don't even need to do that. Let me show you a quicker way to do it. You just select it, and then over here the decimals, you can decrease the decimals by hitting this, and we can round it to maybe 2 decimals. That'd be good. But there's your inverse. Now this one, this is a 2x3 matrix, 2 rows and 3 columns. So if we hit equal M inverse parenthesis, we're going to select the matrix and hit equals, and it returns value, and it tells you it's a non-square matrix, so it doesn't have an inverse. Now let's look at this one. Let's hit equal M inverse parenthesis, and let's select the matrix and hit enter. Oh, and look there, we got an error message, but it is a square matrix. It's a 3x3. But if you, let's see what it says. Matrix given to M inverse was non-invertible. So that just means it's a singular matrix. Its determinant would be 0. Okay, so that's how you use the function in Google Sheets, M inverse. So I hope this video helped. Check out my other videos. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.